Hi everyone, welcome to STEAM with Miss Shannon. I'm Miss Shannon with Daly City Public Library. This week we're going to experiment with structural engineering using paper. Structural engineering focuses on the framework of a building. Hi everyone, welcome to STEAM with Miss Shannon. I'm Miss Shannon with Daly City Public Library. This week, we're going to experiment with structural engineering using paper. Structural engineering focuses on the framework of a structure, designing the structure to be strong and solid, to be able to withstand what it's used for and withstand environmental factors like wind or snow or earthquake. What I want to start with is looking at the design, a very simple design of a bridge and how much weight different designs might be able to hold. So I'm going to start with one single piece of paper, and I want to see how many pennies this piece of paper might hold. I don't think it's going to be a lot, but let's give it a try. Maybe move these a little closer. All right. See, it's already starting to sag. So that is not a good design for a bridge. All right. So 2 pennies was all it took to knock that down. So I'm going to take these 2 pennies and let's try 1, 2, 3 sheets of paper. Let's see if the added thickness will hold more weight. So we're going to put the first 2 pennies on here. Center this. Now when you're putting items on something you're experimenting with like this, you want to put the items on slowly and from the top so that the force of your hand and movement doesn't knock over the bridge or tower if that's what you're doing, but that it's the weight. You want to make sure it's the item that you're testing. Okay, so that holds 2, which is more than 1 sheet of paper. Let's see. Oh boy, there it goes. So that's 3 pennies that knocked this down. I'm going to see what happens if I glue these 3 sheets of paper together. Because if I glue them together, I think that will make them a little sturdier. Let's give it a try. Move this so it doesn't shake so much. That's 2 sheets. Let's get 1 more on there. Add the 3rd sheet. All right, this looks and feels a little sturdier already. Let's see what happens. Put on the 3 pennies that knocked down the 3 sheets of paper without glue. And it's a little stronger, not a lot. Oh boy, it's going. Oh, I don't even need to put more on it. Okay, so that wasn't much better. What I want to try next is the first sheet of paper that we tried, but I'm going to fold up the edges. Because when you fold paper, it makes it stronger. So let's see if this will work. I'm going to fold it up like this. I'm going to try to open this a little Let's put it this way. This one's a little shorter, just so you can maybe see a little more of the pennies I'm putting on. I'm not sure if that's going to work, but let's see. Put the original 3. Let's see what else. How much more is this going to hold? 4, 5, 6, 7. This is stronger. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh, remember I said slowly? That wasn't slow, but it stood up anyway. Oh, it's starting to go. I think one more might do it. Okay. That's a whole lot more. And that was just the same sheet of paper that we used the first time, but I did it folded. I'm going to try something else. I'm going to take another sheet of paper and I'm going to fold it in half. And then I'm going to fold it down on one side and then on the other side. So that it looks like a W. And then, now let's make it look like an M. And I'm going to put this on top of here. So this is 2 sheets. I don't know if this is going to be stronger or not. I haven't tried it. I'm interested though. We will see. So this is what we had last. Put this on here. Oh. You know what? I'm not sure if it's because it didn't hold the weight or if it's because it wasn't stable. I'm going to try it. No, this isn't going to work. I don't know if that one works or not. I would love it if you try it at home and let me know in the comments. I didn't get it to work because it wasn't stable. I'm not sure if it would have held the weight or not, but it wasn't stable. And like I said, structural engineering, you want it to be strong and stable. I could try it again, but I actually want to get onto something else. So, put the pennies away and scoop these books over. I want to take a look at these 3 pillars. I have a pillar that's like a triangle, one that's like a square, and one that's like a circle. So basically I took a sheet of paper and just folded over. You see I put a little edge on it so that I could tape it together. What I want to find out is which pillar, the triangle, square, or circle, will hold the most weight. How I'm going to do that, I'll start with the triangle and I'm going to put a book on it and see if it holds. Okay, 1 book. Okay, went down with the 2nd book. Let's try the square. Do you think the square will be stronger or weaker or the same as the triangle? Let's give it a try. Let's see. Doesn't seem very even. There we go. It's stronger. Okay, it managed to hold 2 books before falling. All right, let's try the circle. Do you think it'll be stronger or weaker or the same? Let's see. It's stronger. Did you know that one simple piece of paper could hold up that many books? So, if you're wondering why the circle is stronger, because if you look at the circle here, it has no edges and no corners. The triangle and the square, it has edges and corners. The weight is shared evenly by the entire circle when the books rest on the cylinder. But on the square or triangle, it doesn't rest evenly, so they start to crunch a little, which weakens it. So that's why the circle lasts longer. Oh, I wanted to show you something else with the circle though. Let's see if it'll still hold up a little. So the circle is stronger, but is this one cylinder stable? If there's a high wind, will it get knocked over? Let's give it a try. I don't know if I can get a high enough wind going. Yeah, so it's not going to last well in the wind. So I'm going to try 4 cylinders. And I'm going to see how many books I can put on the 4 cylinders. Each of these is made out of 1 sheet of paper. How many books do you think that this will hold? Let's give it a try. Make sure that's pretty even. I'm going to put this out a little bit. It's kind of like I'm making a table, and I want it to be even. All right. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, make sure I'm putting these on evenly, 12, 13, 14, 15. I've run out of books. Fortunately, I have some more. What was that? 15? 1, 2, yes, 15. Okay, get for the bigger books now. 16. We make them even. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 'This is a big one. I don't know if I want to do this. I want to get a smaller book. Hold on. 22. 23. I feel like it's getting pretty close to the top. I could put this heavy one on it, but I have a feeling that's gonna knock it down. 24. Dare I get any more? Hold on. 25. 26. Let me get some more books. 27. 28. I didn't think this many would stay up there. 29. I need more. 30. 31. Wow. 32. I need more books. I'm not going to be able to reach. These are a little heavier, so they might make it go down. I don't know. Where was that? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. I probably need a stool. 33, it feels like it's starting to lean. I've already lost count again. What was that, 34? 35. 36. Yikes. 37. I almost feel like I'm playing a giant game of Jenga. I feel like walking across the room to get more books is going to knock it down. I'm going to tiptoe and go get some more books. I want to see how far this will go. It's a good thing I have a lot of books. 38. See if I can get to 40. 39. I'm going to go to 40. I am not going to wait for it to crash down because I can't reach any higher. 40. So we know that it holds at least 40 books. I feel like it's going to crash down on me. So that's fun with structural engineering. That's pretty amazing what you can do with just paper. With other materials, you can do so much more. But now you've learned a little bit about the design, about shapes, and how shapes and folding and thickness, how that affects things. Next week, we're going to be doing sunburst watercolor paintings. Let me get my notes here because I want to get this right because we're doing something fun. We have kits for next week. We have kits available. We have 23 kits that contain watercolor paints, a brush, watercolor paper, and some masking tape. Almost everything you need to make one of the sunburst watercolor paintings that we're going to do next week. You can pick it up at curbside pickup next week on Tuesday, Wednesday, or Friday. And either Miss Sarah or Miss Natalie will be sitting at a table outside, and you can go to them and tell them that you'd like a kit. We have 23 available, first come, first serve. Curbside pickup is on Tuesday from 10 to 1, Wednesday from 3 to 6, and Friday from 1 to 4. So that is available for next week. I'm looking forward to it, and I hope that a bunch of you come by and get some kits and join in and make some paintings, and we'd love to see them. Anyway, back to this week. I'm sorry, I'm stunned. I did not expect to get 40 bucks up here. I really didn't. I thought it would come crashing down. So, I have a challenge for you. How many books can you get to stand on 4 cylinders of paper? Or create your own design and build something, a tower that holds weight, or a bridge. You can do things like maybe tape 4 cylinders together and have one in each spot. Try different things out. And whichever one you're proudest of, take a picture of it and send it to us in our comments. We'd love to see it. Next week, we have all of our story times available. On Tuesday at 10:15, Miss Sarah will be doing story time with Miss Sarah. Wednesday at 4 is story time with Miss Selena. Thursday at 10:15 is story time, Baby Bounce with Miss Karen. We also have Messy Mondays for the little ones at 3 o'clock on Monday, and we have Teen Tuesday at 3 o'clock on Tuesday. I hope that you're all doing very well, and I hope that you're doing fun things like stacking books. I hope you're staying healthy and having fun, and I miss you. And hopefully you'll come by and see us at Curbside Pickup and say hi, and we will see you next week. Bye.